ahead and introduce yourself to me.
My name's Abigail, and I'm a graduate of WVJC. I took the 9-month medical assisting program here. All the teachers here kind of worked together to make sure that we got to push through, and I finished my 9-month program with a 4.0 the whole time. So it was pretty great. I didn't think I could do it, but they pushed me and showed me what I needed to do, and I just did it. It was great. I could talk to any of the teachers here. It didn't matter if they were actively teaching me, and they would guide me or help me, and they helped me to get a job at Thomas Hospital, which was really nice. Before that, I was working at PetSmart. I am currently going back to nursing at WVJC, and I am super excited, and I can't wait to start because I know it's going to be hard, but I know that the teachers at WVJC will be here to help guide me through. I actually tried to get in nursing before I took the 9-month program, and I had to take the TEAS test to get accepted into nursing. Well, I failed the TEAS test, and I was like, oh no, I have to do school or I'm not going to jump into it. So Kelly, she told me about the pathway program, so I decided to take the 9-month CMA program. And after I completed the 9 months, I retook the TEAS test and I passed. Taking that TEAS test and taking that next step into the nursing program, I would say that you probably should start off with the CMA program. It kind of helps put your foot in the door and you start learning about everything that you're going to jump head first into the nursing program. I would say my favorite part about coming to WVJC is that it's a big family. Everybody here will help you with anything that you need. If you want advice on how to interview, they'll tell you. If you want advice on how to send an email to your employer, somebody will tell you. Everybody here helps you with anything that you need. School related, work related, it doesn't matter. If you need advice, you can ask anyone.